Namaste friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And please don't forget to like and share my videos. Friends, in my previous video, you have learned words with ang symbol. अंग की मात्रा वाले शब्द. Let's practice and revise two words. ह plus ang plus sa. ह ang. Please practice this sound. Ang. ह ang sa. Hans. Hans means swan. Next word is ang plus da plus a. Anda. Anda. Anda means egg. Friends, now I will teach you words with aha symbol. This aha vowel is the last vowel, and today I will teach you this symbol and how to make words with this symbol. Let's start. aha की मात्रा वाले शब्द. For example, here two words cha plus ah. Sound ah. Chah. Chah means 6. Next, the plus u plus ah plus kh. The u du ah kh. Dukh. Dukh means sadness. Namah. Nam. Na plus ma. Nam ah. Namah. You can read here. Namah. Namah means with salutation to Om. This like Namaste. Next word pa plus u. Pu na. Pun ah. Punnah. Punnah. Here you can read Punnah. It means again. This word the plus u plus ah plus kh. The u du ah kh. Dukh. Dukh means the sorrow. Next is a plus ta. Attah. Attah. You can read here attah. Attah means therefore. Next is pa plus ra plus a. Pra a. Pra ta. Pratah. Pratah. Pra a. Pratah. Pratah. You can read here pratah. Pratah means morning. Next is ka plus ra. Kra plus ma plus sh. Kra ma sh. Kramash ah. Kramshah. Kramshah. You can read here Kramshah. Kramshah means respectively. Next is fa plus la plus ta plus ah. Faltah. 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 As a result. Once more, we will practice reading the words with using this vowel. Friends, let's practice once more. Ch, ch. T, atah. N, m, namah. P, u, n, punnah. D, u, kh, dukh. P, r, a, pra, t, pratah. F, l, t, faltah. K, r, m, sh, kramshah, kramshah. S, bhavatah, sambhavatah, sambhavatah. So these are the words you have to practice. I hope you are also doing practice with me. If not, try to read it again. Try to watch this again. Or you can write these words. These words are not enough. You can get more words and try to read that words. Okay, friends? Friends, now we have completed our vowel symbol. A to ah. A, e, u, ri. E, o, ang, ah. With using vowel symbol, we have completed our words. Now friends, your turn to practice and practice more words. Just listen the sound of the vowel and the sound of the consonant. Just join that sound. You will get the letter sound. Let's practice how to use symbol with the letters. This is letter consonant K. This is A, vowel. This is consonant, this is vowel. This vowel symbol is this. So how to use K, A. K. This vowel symbol will come here, K. So K, with using A symbol or A vowel, sound has been changed. K became Ka. If we are using E, and this. This vowel symbol is this. How to use this? Which side? This side or this side? So always remember, this is the first E. So first E will come this side, before the consonant, before your letter. So K sound became ki. K sound became ki. This is the first E. If second E, then this side. Symbol will be this side. K, E, ki. Listen the sound. K, E, ki. K, E, ki. Understood? And please note, each consonant has a sound. If there is no a, means consonant will be half, like this. Okay? You can practice this with my video. I have more videos to practice these vowels, symbols and words. All the best, friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, bye bye friends. See you with my new video.